could you be the one? Go, go.
Ay! Araneta! Sabingi ka talaga eh.
Morning guys. Day 2. Guys, hindi kami late. 7. Good morning. Morning. We need to book. Ay, kailangan mag-book ng ticket. 1 hour. Wala, hindi ka makakuha. Hindi po kasi. You can. Picture tayo. Kapag ka... Ay! Pupunta kami Pattaya. Nag-book kami guys ng car sa Klook lang. Hindi man traffic ngayon kay... Uy! Hindi man traffic ngayon guys. Oh. Parking yan. Magpa-park yan sila guys. Stop over kami guys. Look. It's na lang. Uy! Pogi oh. This is... Gusto daw mag-coffee, sabi ni Kuya. Bakdo. Nag-CR lang sila tita. KFC.
A few moments later.
Hindi namin ay Sanctuary of Truth. CR kayo? CR ako?
Samahan niyo ako.
CR na ako. Tamaan ko. Gagalit ka. Uy, may deer.
Pataya na talaga.
Pataya na to guys.
I think...
Hello! Yun, nakita ko na siya. Pinakataas. Sinong hindi mag-aano ha? Asa tayo lahat. We're going in. Nakilala siya. Babay ka na. Bye-bye. Hala, tignan nyo ba? Uy, ang ganda dito ah. Hala, kailangan magka. Doon baka may recitation. Oo nga, dito tayo sa pinakadulo. Baka may recitation dito.
You will have all the time you need because after the tour, you can stay inside the museum until the end of the evening. Are you with me?
Yes! Yes! Oh, dito nag-propose. Meh. Wow! Guys, kahoy.
The original model for designing the sanctuary to the museum. Everybody, the one I'm holding right now is what we call the wooden pin. And this one right here is what we use to replace the nails inside of our museum, and also this is what we use as nails for the museum. It reflects the truth in our society, but there's always good and bad.
The God of Earth, the God of Water,
Okay, inside we have seen just a big reminders. Inside the first shoot of life. And as you can see, this flower is in around the earth element. And it is presented with our image of plants in the ocean.
Ito pinag-uusapan ko. Dumaan ako, lahat nakatingin sa akin.
Metabolism and also our... So everybody wants to understand the first
Debak.
group. Right here, everyone. All it represents of our life cycle. From the day we're born until we die, we all depend on the nature. And without what we have, it contains insight and purpose, everything to understand the principles of life. The first one right here. So everybody, our journey is going to be at end soon. And now I hope you understand who we are, where we're from, the purpose of our life, and our society.
Guys, ice cream again. Baka, ano na, lubat na yung... Ganda. Okay guys, next up, House of Benedict. Tanan, the House of Benedict.
Patikit sabi ko. Chicken narinig ko.
Ay, ang ganda dito. Chicken inside na.
Narinig ko talaga chicken.
Yan na, yan na. Okay kayo, nagkita pa naman kayo ng pamilya ng ano. Wow, soy ma. Ay, ling ko! A lot of food. Boats. Hello, Pilipinas! Oh, the House of Benedict. Wow. Tubig, guys. One more. Yes. Is that spicy?
Spicy. Want spicy?
Less. Yes.
Do you have three? Three? Just comment back.
Ah, it's kabila. Then we're eating now. Ah, hindi pa pala. We're waiting for our food.
A few moments later.
Parang may bagis, no? Wala talaga ng...
Okay guys, dito kami sa Nong Nuch, Pattaya, Thailand. Look. Ay, loko. Look at that. May elepante na. Maganda. Kapon ka. Oh, mahal kita. Rak na.
A few moments later.
Dulas na ang at na to. We're going out now. And lilipat tayo for our last destination for today's video. Bye-bye, Nong Noch. Yes. Aircon.
10 minutes ko yung next ano natin.
Yun na yung last.
Oh.
For our last destination, the Golden Buddha.
Last na ito ngayong araw.
Oo, matutulog na tayo. Magluluto pa ng fried chicken sa street. Day 2 in Thailand.
Sawadee ka
Anong nanananan? Nananananan.
Ito lang yung ginawa to Grace. Hindi ko
Ano sinerge? Sinerge mo ang info pag ano? Nakita ko kasi yan.
Ano ilaw yan, Di?
Mm-mm.
Paano mo nasabi?
Ano yan? Glow in the dark. Gold. Kapal mo ka. Picture na guys. Bye-bye. Okay guys. Water na.
Going home na.
We're home.
This is our last destination for today's video.
Alright.
Yes.
This is the Buddha, Golden Buddha na.
Golden Buddha. It's a Buddha mountain called Chikan, Thailand. Hello.
Oh, Buddha Mountain called Chi Chan, Thailand. Look at this is what are they really talking about na? Okay. Oh, diba? Suway na!
Guys, nandito kami sa California, USA, in Thailand.
This is the garden wherein a lot of people are coming because later.
It's so very hot here.
Yeah, it's very hot here. We are the only people here who came here just for the day.
It's because it's so very hot here.
We just took like about 10 pictures and then we're going out and then we're going back and then we're going.
It's going hot. Meet our kasama. Meet our
What's the English of kasama?
kasama. It's kasama.
Staycation please. Staycation na. Yeah, at the landmark MRT.
Coffee shop. Parang gawin coffee shop.
Nearby.
Ano, Starbucks?
Starbucks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ayan, yun na pala yung yung inaantay ni Kuya. Starbucks.
A few moments later.
One, nong song. Samp! Chocolate. Then, kapon ka. Bye-bye na. Juice. Juice. Sabi ko kumuha juice. Lemon tea, guys. Uy, hindi na mga itik. Uy, yung. Fried chicken a la crispy. Ta-da! Asia Tuk. The riverfront. Barbecue.
Ayan, may...
Tama na.
Tingnan mo yung pyramid eh.
Grabe ka. Thank you. Oh, diba? Oh, diba?
Ay, Chinese ako eh.
80 la, 80.
Hindi pala, mali.
Chinese. May horror, ano sila? Mystery Mansion. There. Gusto! Gusto kita. Dalawa lang yan. Ay, ang haba ng pila. Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
So very happy.
Oh!